When you think about the human body and how we breathe, often we think about the inhale more than the exhale. But the way that our brain is rigged, it is set to sense the excess of carbon dioxide, not the lack of oxygen. That means that not getting out your breath is going to be what makes you feel short of breath. And the fact of how much oxygen you have in your body at any point in time is only minimally effective on this sensation. Now, this doesn't mean that we're gonna stop focusing on our inhale and doing a deep diaphragmatic breath, but rather we should spend some time understanding and feeling our exhale. And so that will be the goal of this short practice today. We'll spend a few minutes doing just simple deep breathing, but with a focus on the exhale. And we're gonna use a little visualization of gas exchange in our lung as a base for the experience. So just to run through a practice breath, we'll breathe in deep, and as you do, you see the breath enter into your lungs. You see your lungs expand, and as it does, the oxygen penetrates into your lungs, into your body. Your blood circulates it back round with the used carbon dioxide buildup, which is then dumped into your lungs, filling your lungs with this carbon dioxide, and then you exhale deep, all out. And you'll focus on getting as much of the air that is in your lungs out, a complete and full breath out before you start your inhale. I'm not going to be repeating this every time. I'm going to simplify it down, but breathe in deep. See your lungs fill with carbon dioxide. Exhale completely. Breathe in deep. Now focus low, diaphragmatic breathing. Feel your abdomen expand. Notice the gas exchange in your mind moving in all of that excess. Exhale, long, slow, deep breath. Everything out. Turn. Breathe in, calm. Exhale, long, deep, from the diaphragm, everything out. Inhale, calm. Focus on your visualization of your lungs and the gas exchange. Exhale. Everything out. Inhale and relax. So we're going to return to normal breathing, where we're going to be breathing at a normal pace without prompts. But now I want you to keep a minimal version of the breaths that we were taking before. So just breathe in normal, exhale normal, but notice the air leaving your body. So breathe in, exhale, and notice the breath leaving your body. Breathe in, exhale, breathe in, exhale, breathe in, and at your own pace, continue. Spend a minute by yourself, just experiencing, visualizing your breath. Not particularly deep, but paying attention to how you are breathing, the depth at which you are breathing. Now I want you to keep this breath, but just try and deepen it a little bit. You're not going to be taking these long, struggling breaths, but keeping it normal. Just extend it out by a second or two. At your own pace. Good. Now for this practice, it's not something that you have to return to. You can use it if you're about to go free diving or want to hold your breath for a long period of time, but more particularly keep it as an experience for understanding how your breath works. And when you move into any other meditative practice and the person's taking deep breath in, remember that each deep breath in, you're going to have to do just as an important deep breath out. Respect both sides. If there's a pull, there's a push. Understand the balance between your breath and your body. For now, we'll just keep it quite simple. I wish you the best on your journey.